Hello guys, welcome to my channel Online Shopping Bars. Today I'm going to show you how to play music in your Oppo watch and how to connect your Oppo watch to the Bluetooth headset. So I've got this Philips one. So stay tuned in this video. I will show you how to connect it, and if you are new in my channel then be sure to subscribe the channel, and if you like the video then please click on like. So to play music in your Oppo watch, you have to download an app. Make sure the watch is connected with internet, and then you go to Play Store. After opening Play Store, just go to streaming audio, click on that, and here you can get in third number music player, mp3 player. Click on this and install it. See the name, it is provided by Qubin apps. Music player, mp3 player, web radio with watch. Install it and simultaneously install the app on the phone. So I will show you how to install the app on the phone. It is available on Play Store. It will take some time. It's of 6.23 MB, so just be patient and download it. So it's installing right now. So after it's been installed, click on open and open the app on your watch. Give the necessary permissions. Now we will continue it on the phone, as all the files will be operated from the phone. So now guys, I will show you how to download the app. Just open Play Store and search for music player, Qubin apps. So in first one you will get this app. Just go ahead and download it. It will take some time, just be patient. I wonder how much MB. It's 7 MB. So it's downloaded in wink of an eye. So now I will go and give the permission, and here I will select the song. So guys, in the app, in bottom side you are seeing one toolbar. So in this toolbar, one is phone, home, library, transfer and more. So you just click on first one. So it will now toggle to watch, and here you can see overview of connected watch, watch model number, status, available RAM, installed watch version and installed phone version. So just go and click on file browser. Here you can see the file on watch, the file which is present on watch, and here one transfer button, one playlist button, one overview button. So you can select your watch from here. Make sure your watch is connected to Wear OS so that the app automatically connects to the watch. So now I will show you how to transfer files in the watch. Just stay tuned in this video. So make sure your phone is selected here, and now go to library. In library you can select file browser and select the required song you want to send to watch and select. So here I'm selecting some songs which I will transfer to my watch. So after selecting, here one on top side you see three buttons. You just click on that, and here in transfer to watch, so just click on transfer to watch. Select the folder on your watch where the files should be transferred to. So I will select the folder in music. You can see here watch toggle has been activated. So just click on music and click OK. Now here you are seeing add media start copy. So just click on start copy. These songs will be sent to your watch. It will take some time depending on the file size, so just be patient. I've downloaded these songs from NCS. Now after transferring, we will check in the music folder if the song is present or not. So now as you see, all tick mark are present. So now we will go to the watch again, and in watch we will go to file browser, and here you can see music. In music folder it is showing 4 items. So now we will continue the rest setting on the watch. So guys, I've came to watch and just clicked on Wear Media Music app, and here you can see one music player, playlist stream, file browser, and in file browser you can see the 4 songs I've just sent from the phone. So just click on that. See, the song is playing to the watch. This is NC's song. I will give quick overview. So just check it. Here 4 songs are there. So you can volume up or down from here. Just click on plus symbol, and here you can see volume up down button. You can lower the volume, or you can maximize the volume. You can play the next track from here, and you can skip the song from here. You can toggle this also. You can pause the song from here. So now guys, I will show you how to connect your watch to the Bluetooth headset. You just go and click on settings. In settings you go to connectivity and click on Bluetooth, and in Bluetooth search for available devices. Here it is scanning my Bluetooth headset. Make sure your Bluetooth headset is turned on. So now after clicking on that, a prompt will come, and here pair with 102215. Now I'll click and give permission. Now the headset is connected. Now I'll show you how to play music via headset, and it will be connected through the watch. So now just click on file browser, click the song, volume max, my Bluetooth headset volume was lower, so now I will give you some quick testing of the sound. You can hear. So guys, the song is playing through the Bluetooth headset. Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked my video then be sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.